maintain VFR, cleared LDA, runway 2 approach, circle runway 20.
Cleared the LDA 2, circle 20, good speed 515, thanks.
And good speed 515, previously issued traffic, no factor off your left-hand side, 9 o'clock down about 3 miles.
Good speed 515.
November 614 Juliet Charlie, Bradley approach radio check.
Bradley approach, good evening, Cessna 6604 Echo.
Cessna 6604 Echo, Bradley approach.
6604 Echo to Cessna 172, about 6 miles south of the Hartford VOR at 3,500, climbing 7,500, like to pick up flight following to Montauk.
Number 04 Echo, stand by for your code. 04 Echo, squawk 5345, ident.
5345, ident, 660 Echo.
Number 04 Echo, contact Providence, approach 119.45.
19 or 45, 0 Echo, have a good night.
Have a good night.
Squawk VFR, talk to you soon, 12 kilo.
Providence, citation 639 or Tango Charlie, 1000.
Citation 639 Tango Charlie, Providence approach. The Providence altimeter 29901, descend and maintain 7,000.
7009, Tango.
Providence approach, good evening, Cessna 6604 Echo, climbing through 4,500 for 5,500.
Cessna 6604 Echo, Providence approach. The Providence altimeter 29901.
29901, 6604 Echo.
Cessna 04 Echo, maintain VFR at or about 6,000 for traffic at your 2 o'clock, 6 miles, east, southeast on 5,502.
Looking for that traffic, we're going to go up to 7,500, 660 Echo.
Cessna 04 Echo, roger. November 1072 Quebec, thank you. We've already notified them. They're probably going to put out a response to get more ELTs in that area.
Quebec.
November 5538 Quebec, Providence Bridge.
Yeah, we also got that ELT alert up here for mini Papander, Quebec.
23 Quebec, thank you.
No, that's not good. Oh.
November 31 Lima Alpha, Providence Bridge. Were you picking up an ELT in that location? Thank you.
Yeah, no, Providence. It's Moody 553 Quebec again. Now we get it without squelch, just so you know, based on our position.
Moody 3 Quebec, roger.
Providence approach, Cessna 660 Echo. Go ahead and cancel our flight following.
Cessna 04 Echo, radar service terminated. Frequency changes approved. Squawk VFR. Have a good day.
Thanks, have a good night. 0 Echo. Go, left stand. And carbon's gone.
Double traffic, Skyhawk. We've got the Cherokee, the upwind from 1-2, we've got the Cherokee inside. Skyhawk is left crosswind to 12. Done.
Piper Cherokee is continuing downwind. Entering the left downwind, 21, Pittsburgh.
And left wind's full.
Done. Traffic Skyhawk is left downwind of 12. Done.
Cherokee on the downwind. Are you coming in the wind or are you just heading west? Cherokee's making my base turn now for landing 12. On in traffic.
That's good. Spare checks complete.